In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a swipe motion in Canva. Whether you're looking to add some dynamic flair to your social media posts or craft engaging presentation slides, this guide will walk you through creating captivating swipe animations using Canva. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll need to open Canva. If you haven't already, head over to Canva's website or open the app on your device. Once you're there, make sure you're logged in so you can save your work as we go along. Next, it's time to create a new design. You'll see the Create a Design button prominently displayed on your dashboard. Click on it and choose the format that best suits your project. Whether it's an Instagram story, a video post, or something else, the choice is yours. Selecting the right format will ensure your final product is appropriately sized for your intended platform. Now, let's create multiple pages. Swipe motions work best when there are several elements or messages you want to present smoothly one after the other. Add as many pages as needed, keeping in mind that each represents a new scene or step in your animation. With your pages set up, it's time to add some elements or text inside them. This is where your creativity comes into play. Add images, shapes, icons, or text relevant to your message. Play around with the design tools Canva offers to get your pages looking exactly how you want them. After setting up your pages, select the element you want to animate in a swipe fashion. Click on the element. It could be an image or a text box, and make sure it's highlighted, ready for the animation to be applied. Now for the exciting part, creating the swipe motion. Look for the animate button located in Canva's toolbar at the top. Once you click on it, you'll be presented with various animation effects. For our swipe motion, choose either the pan or slide option. These two effects mimic a swipe motion as they animate screen elements in at an angle or from the sides. As you arrange your slides, hover between two pages where you want a seamless transition. Hovering in this space is key as it helps in visualizing how one slide moves to the next, maintaining the fluidity of your animation. To add that final touch, click and add a transition effect between the pages. This effect will ensure that your swipe motion not only animates elements individually, but also glides smoothly between each page. Explore the transition options until you find one that matches the mood and pace of your project. Lastly, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and flows, it's time to export your creation. Click on the download button and export your project as an MP4 video. This format is ideal for sharing on social media platforms or embedding in presentations, ensuring high quality and compatibility. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create a dynamic swipe motion in Canva to enhance your visual storytelling. Happy designing!